You need to hear this if you're an aviation enthusiast. This is the story of the B-52 Stratofortress. The B-52 Stratofortress, a bomber that first took to the skies in 1952, is a true aviation legend. Designed by Boeing, it stretches a whopping 159 feet long with a wingspan of 185 feet. Powered by 8 turbojet engines, this giant can carry up to 70,000 pounds of weapons. Primarily used by the US Air Force for strategic bombing, the B-52 has seen action in Vietnam, the Gulf War, and beyond. And despite its age, it's been continuously upgraded with new avionics, radar, and weapons systems to keep it relevant. The B-52 isn't just a bomber, it's a symbol of enduring power and innovation in aviation. With plans to keep it flying until at least 2050, the Stratofortress is here to stay. That's a wrap on the legendary B-52 Stratofortress in 60 seconds. See you next time.